Hello, we've not been in the workshop here at Bridge Classic Cars for a little while now, so we thought we'd pick some projects to bring you up to speed. The workshop team have been making good progress on the 1987 Maserati BiTurbo. Several years in the making, the project is now at the stage where the team can begin testing the various systems on the car. A few weeks ago, we witnessed the first fire-up of the freshly rebuilt twin-turbo V6 here at our Suffolk HQ. This was accomplished by several members of the workshop team working together to get the car timed up and running well enough to the point where they can begin to adjust and fine-tune the car ahead of its first road test. This 1991 Jaguar XJS arrived at our workshops a few months ago for the team to carry out a full appraisal on the car. The team found a few areas where the car needed some mechanical care, such as brakes, exhausts, and some electrical work too. But at that point, the owner had decided to give the car an aesthetic makeover with the help of our paint and body team. Our technician Adam has been working alongside our fabricator Greg in order to get the body work for the XJS absolutely rock solid. The decision was made not to take the car down to bare metal, but instead to do a flat paint respray. This allows the team to refine and shape the panel work before shooting the entire car in its original shade of gold. With the body shell and the panels now painted in their period correct colour, the Bridge Classic Cars paint and body team can move on to the next phase and be one step closer to this iconic classic being back on the road once again. Every now and then, the Bridge Classic Cars team get a special project to work on. Recently, it has been this stunning 1960 Austin Healey 3000. Rebuilt and restored by its owner over the past 2 decades, the car is now living out its new life as a classic rally car. So for that, some modifications have had to be done on the car. A new extra strong skid plate lies under the car to protect the sum from impacts and risk of splitting. Alongside that, the team have modified the original hood frame to be a 2-piece, slip joint style for the canvas roof to go over the competition roll bar, as well as some electrical and steering work on the car. The team have really enjoyed having this classic racer in our workshops, and we look forward to seeing what this sensational car gets up to in the future with its super excited owner. The restoration of this 1970 Aston Martin DBS Vantage is a project near and dear to our hearts. When we acquired this car last year, the team set out on getting this very rare Suffolk car back to its former glory. This car is believed to be one of a handful of DBS Vantages finished in a particular shade of blue. But with this car being off the road for so long, the team have got their work cut out for them to bring it back to life. A barn find that even Aston Martin themselves have known about since the 1980s. Extensive metal work has been carried out by our team. Our fabricator, Greg, holding the torch. Everything from the repairs to the body shell to the bottoms of the aluminium doors have been carefully and properly repaired. Meanwhile, the body shell of the car has been moved into our paint and body shop for our paint shop manager Chris to start preparing the shell for the bodywork. Recently, Chris has begun painting the interior as well as the engine bay in hard-wearing black. He has also begun to paint the various parts and pieces for the reassembly of the car further down the road. Thank you so much for watching and joining us inside the workshops here at Bridge Classic Cars. For more automotive content, please like, subscribe and turn on those notifications.